Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to record your own voice using Google Vids. You know, Google Vids is a new tool from Google and you can do so many things using this app, especially for video editing. So, if you want to do that, first of all, open your Google Chrome browser and then click to Google Apps or menu option to open all the menus. From here, click to Vids. You can see it's a home page. From here you can select a ratio, landscape, portrait, square, and from here click to any option or click to blank fit. Now you can see it's a dashboard or main interface. From here you can record your own voice by this record option. Click here and then click to voiceover. From here you can see the voiceover, and also you can click to insert and then click to audio recording, and then you can see the option here is available. Now select your microphone from here. First of all, click to this select icon and then select your microphone. It's my primary microphone, and using this microphone I am recording this tutorial, so it can't possible to select this one, and close dialog, and you can see I think it's working, so it's fine. Now click to start recording option to record your voice. You can also install a plugin to use this app. So to start your recording, just click to this red icon or red button. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record your voice using Google Vid. Now click to stop and you can preview this. Click here to preview and you can restart this. After that, just click to insert. As you can see, now you can preview this one. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record your voice. Now if you want to export this audio, you will go to file and then download as a MP4 file. It's downloading. And that's it. You can record your own custom voiceover using Google Vids. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.